Welcome back to another exciting episode of Science. Today we're talking about DNA. Now, DNA kind of looks like this, and it's found inside chromosomes inside the nucleus of cells. The really important thing about DNA is it's what determines all the features of your body. This shape here is called a double helix. Double helix is basically two spirals that kind of go one over the other, and these are all the same width all the way around. They just look thinner here because this is a two-dimensional drawing of a three-dimensional object. So a single helix is a spiral, kind of like on a slinky, and a double helix is like two of those interlocked. Between the double helix you've got all these, and these bits contain four different things which are what determine all the features of your body. What these contain are called base pairs, and we can represent them with four letters, and they stand for guanine, adenine, thymine and cytosine. And each of these little things are kind of like a jigsaw. This is all made up of pieces that are each of these, and they're all shaped. So they're a very specific shape, and the reason I've written them like this is because they fit together. So for example, if the shape of the guanine was that, the shape of the cytosine would be that. When you put the two together, ta-da, they'd fit together perfectly. But adenine is shaped like that, and the thymine is shaped like that. So if you put adenine and thymine together, they fit together perfectly as well. But if you try to put adenine and cytosine together, or adenine and guanine, or guanine and thymine, or cytosine and thymine, they're not going to fit because they're the wrong shape, kind of like those jigsaw puzzles that you do as a child when you're about 4. So this is the really important thing to know about DNA, is that these base pairs have to pair up with the right letter. And these base pairs are these rungs on the ladder, and we're saying that in a kind of as an analogy. They're the rungs of the ladder on this double helix of the DNA. How are they joined together? They are joined together with hydrogen bonds. So here you have, here and here, joining these to each other is hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds, as we know, are not a very strong bond. The order in which they're placed is what determines which proteins are formed for body cells, and it's got all the information in it to tell your body exactly, for example, what colour eyes you should have, how often your skin cells should renew, how fast your hair should grow, whether you've got 5 fingers and toes. All that information comes from how these 4 things are arranged along this.